Welcome back to the channel, home decor lovers. Today, we are taking a full walkthrough tour of a cheerful, sunlight-drenched cottage that redefines traditional seasonal decorating. Forget moody tones and dreary palettes. This year, we are elevating our cozy fall vibes with a fresh, vibrant aesthetic built around rich butter yellow and serene French blue. If you love budget-friendly home makeovers, thrift vintage finds, and warm cottagecore charm, grab your favorite warm drink and settle in because this tour is packed with accessible inspiration for every room in your home. Our tour starts right at the front door, where first impressions set a joyful, inviting tone for the entire house. Instead of standard plastic decorations, we styled the entry with organic textures, heirloom woven baskets, and a cheerful mix of pale blue heirloom pumpkins and creamy yellow squashes. A vintage wooden bench paired with a French blue plaid throw instantly introduces our signature color story before guests even step inside, blending classic American porch styling with timeless European cottage flair. Stepping into the main living room, the immediate feeling is warm, bright, and deeply lived in. The focal point of the space is the soft, butter yellow walls that bounce afternoon sunlight across the room, creating an instant mood boost even on overcast fall days. We grounded the room using a classic French blue patterned rug, pairing plush velvet throw pillows with thrift brass candle holders to deliver high-end interior design style on an accessible, real-world budget. The kitchen is truly the heart of this autumn cottage makeover, glowing with retro character and cottagecore personality. Cabinetry painted in a velvety butter yellow offers a soft alternative to harsh white kitchens, creating a canvas that feels both historical and fresh. We styled open wood shelving with colorful vintage ironstone pitchers, dried wheat sheaves, and French blue striped tea towels, proving that functional everyday kitchen items double as your best seasonal decor assets. Tucked beside a sunny window is our cozy breakfast nook, designed for quiet morning coffees and warm fall baking sessions. Built-in bench seating painted in a rich French blue anchors the corner, contrasting beautifully against the warm yellow cabinetry nearby. A round thrift pedestal table styled with a scalloped linen tablecloth, fresh copper accents, and a bowl of golden apples turns a simple dining nook into a magazine-worthy cozy corner. What truly gives a cottage character is the art of curating thrift decor with a personal story. Throughout the home, antique flea market treasures, like tarnished silver trays, vintage oil paintings in gilt frames, and floral ceramic bowls, add depth that mass-produced store displays simply cannot match. Mixing vintage blue transferware with warm brass candlestick holders creates a laid, collected over time look that keeps viewers engaged in every corner of the room. When decorating for autumn, texture is just as essential as color for creating that snug, tactile comfort. We laid chunky knit throws, linen slipcovers, and custom pillow covers in butter yellow, French blue, and warm ochre across every seating area. Combining soft floral prints with tailored ticking stripes elevates the overall aesthetic, proving that you can achieve a cozy fall home without relying on generic seasonal merchandise. The living room fireplace mantel serves as the ultimate vignette for seasonal styling inspiration. Instead of heavy, dark garlands, we created an airy autumnal display using dried hydrangeas in shades of dusty blue and cream, interwoven with flickering taper candles. An oversized antique gilded mirror acts as the center statement piece, reflecting the warm glow of the fire and expanding the light throughout the space. Moving into the master bedroom, the butter yellow and French blue color palette shifts into its softest, most peaceful expression. A French blue upholstered bed frame is laid with butter yellow block print quilts and crisp white cotton sheets, striking a balance between vintage charm and modern comfort. Simple fall touches, like a small bouquet of dried foliage on the nightstand and a warm amber glass lamp, keep the space feeling restful yet subtly seasonal. Achieving a high-end cottage look does not require a massive home makeover budget. Many of the most impactful elements in this tour were created using affordable DIY paint upgrades, thrift store glassware flips, and repurposed textiles from local consignment shops. By focusing on color harmony, strategic lighting, and vintage accents, you can completely transform your home's atmosphere for fall while keeping your seasonal spending remarkably low. Thank you so much for joining me on today's Cheerful Autumn Cottage Home Tour. I hope this mix of butter yellow, French blue, and colorful vintage decor inspires you to decorate your own space with joy, color, and personal character this season. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor tutorials and thrift hauls, and drop a comment below letting me know your favorite room from today's tour.